What's going on, guys? So I wanted to show you what it was like to recover from a red trade to a green trade. So as of right now on the open, I'm up $911 overall on the day. I'm still down $68. That means I was down about, well, the $920, $930 on the day. What I was able to do very successfully was be able to buy the dip and then get out on top, right? I don't have to get out exactly, again, not chasing the dollar value or anything like that. So I just went from green to red. Now I'm up $100 on the day, up over $1,000 on this specific position. So what I'm going to do right now is, because we're reaching overbought territory, look at this. Look at this, 153, 154. Now we're up $300 on the day. So what I'm going to do is just lock in my entire position. Here we go. And gonna just lock in. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. If the bid continues to sell off, then I will lock it in. But as of right now, let's see where we're at. The bid is at 152.58, 152.63. There we go, 152. Can we get it at 153? And look at the MACD, look at our side, definitely showing signs of it being a little bit more on the overbought territory. So I'm just going to go ahead and call it a day and lock it in. So there we go, up on the day, $147, not bad in there. It's still showing signs of an uptrend. That's all good, but again, if you guys saw, my average price was right around 149, right? 149, 150, and that's right around this area when it really started to show signs of an uptrend. So what I did bad, first of all, was I took a position during pre-market hours when it was really showing signs of a very strong uptrend. The very unfortunate part about that was that it continued to sell off, right? And I didn't cut losses quick enough. I went live with the Learn Plan Profit Group and didn't show any sign of an uptrend pattern or anything like that. And it really just consolidated. I ended up being at that like break-even price point right around here. Actually, no, I was still down about $300 to $400 if I'm not mistaken. TOS was having issues for all those that were having issues with TOS this morning. But what I did was I didn't lock in profits there. I had to cut losses when it was down here. I ended up cutting losses at like $900 something. It sold off. Really happy that I cut losses, because what I did was it broke above the EMA line. I bought the dip. Right? Added more to my position as this thing continued to uptrend. And just like you saw, it reached this territory, this price range, based off of previous patterns that made sense that, hey, it's probably time to sell again. It's reaching this like general area where it becomes more overbought than oversold, right? Not so much of a good deal. And we almost played it out perfectly. Look at that pullback. Look at the MACD and look at the RSI. It makes sense on why we sold it. I went from being down nearly $1,000 to now being up $147 on the day. Yesterday, I cleared over $1,200. Feel free to check the latest video that I have on YouTube. And then on top of that, the day before that, which was Monday, I ended up making a little bit over $2,600. Absolutely just so blessed, killing it. I'm almost at that $4,000 mark, and guess what we're going to do? We're going to lock in profits, focus on quality entries, and make sure that we do a much better job with that. So just wanted to do a quick recap on what led to my success today from going from red to green. And again, that's why they call us the comeback king, right? The Colin Kaepernick. No, totally kidding. That's a joke. But again, all the links are down below if you guys want to stay connected. Thank you guys again so much for your time. The first link is for our live trading that I'm going to host this Friday. So if you want to save your spot for our free live trading, all you have to do is click that first link down below, enter your email, enter your name, click the button, and then click that blue button right below that, and we'll make sure that we send you the link right before we go live so you can see me trade live this Friday. On top of that, if you want to see me trade live every single day and you just can't wait anymore, I'm going to be trading live tomorrow just like I do Monday through Friday every single day with the Learn Plan Profit Group. Be sure to click that second link in the description and then join our free Facebook group of over 172,000 members of TechBud Solutions with that third or fourth link in the description. Thank you guys again for your time. Thank you so much again for your time. Continue working hard, continue following dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.